GM, I've done the research so you don't have to. This is your 60 seconds of Solana and crypto alpha. The Degen Ape Academy has a tutorial on how to fully prep you for BuildOnBase's multi-week festival. Base Network is part of Coinbase, and although it's not Solana related, it's super important, and in my opinion, the single best bit of alpha I can give you today. Get on base. I'll make a separate video covering this. Please welcome the new intern Leo to the DAA family. Vibhu is the GOAT, and in my opinion, you should be listening to his viewpoints always. Price of Sol is $23.27. Tensorians mint today. Mert says there's nothing with higher ROI than getting involved in Solana. Slorg has a thread on PayPal's new stablecoin, and Crypto Carl worked on the project, and here's his take. Juice with some teaser regarding the orangutans. Nerd's conviction on the heist is insane. We'll have almost 100 orangutans. Solana TVL is up 10% in the last 30 days, but the price of Sol is basically the same. Cypher, a dApp, was breached. If you use a ledger in Cypher, you're still affected. Unfortunately, still the hacker hasn't reached out. And today, the Solcasino asset dash boxes go live. Stay curious, catch you tomorrow.